Hello and aloha. Today we're going to be unboxing the CAT 1750, a lithium power station. I wanted to upgrade from an older one because this one's 25% lighter and 40% smaller. It's got LED lights, 200 watts, 15 watt type A USB, 30 watt type C USB, can jumpstart your car, and it can pump your tires. Probably can do some other cool stuff I'm not even aware of. But yeah, pretty cool jack of all trade type thing. Got it at Costco. So let's start opening it up and see what we got inside. Got some instructions, quick start guide, bunch of different languages. We're gonna pull this out. It's really surprising how much lighter this is than the previous model I had. We got LED lights. Oh, that's bright. We got power. We got USBs. We got an air thing. Pump up your tires. Got a few good handlebars. And I'm really surprised how much lighter this feels than the old one I had. A nice thing for putting away the cord. The other one, it was always a little weird how you did it. I don't know, maybe that is for a EV something. It says engine start. I don't know. Technology changes a lot, but yeah, pretty cool what you get. Yeah, so hopefully that gets my tires up and my car going, and if there's ever a hurricane or something like that here, I got some power on the backup. All right, aloha, shoots.